Welcome to this tutorial on CPT codes, an essential tool in the world of medical billing and coding. Whether you're a healthcare professional, medical coder, or just curious about how healthcare services are billed, this video will guide you through the basics of CPT codes and their importance in the healthcare system. CPT codes, or Current Procedural Terminology codes, are a set of medical codes developed by the American Medical Association, AMA, in 1966. These codes are used to describe medical, surgical, and diagnostic services provided to patients. They are essential for accurate billing and communication between healthcare providers and payers. CPT codes serve multiple purposes. Primarily, they standardize the reporting of procedures and services, ensuring that everyone in the healthcare system speaks the same language. This uniformity removes any ambiguity in understanding what medical service was provided, making it easier for healthcare providers to receive accurate reimbursement from insurance companies. Each CPT code consists of 5 characters, which are mostly numeric but can also include a fifth alpha character like F, T, or U. For example, a CPT code might look like 33,275 or 0510T. These codes represent specific procedures or services, such as the removal of a pacemaker or a sinus tarsi implant. CPT codes are categorized into 3 types. Category 1, the most commonly used codes, representing established procedures and services. Category 2, supplemental codes used for tracking performance and quality measures. Category 3, temporary codes for emerging technologies and procedures. Understand categories helps in accurately coding medical procedures and ensuring compliance with billing standards. Category 1 codes are divided into 6 sections. First, evaluation and management, E.M. Second, anesthesia. Third, surgery. Fourth, radiology. Fifth, pathology and laboratory. Sixth, medicine. These codes are generally arranged in numerical order, but may be resequenced for better accessibility. For example, E.M. codes, despite starting with 9, are listed first due to their frequent use. Category 2 codes, marked with a F, are used for performance tracking and are not linked to reimbursement. Meanwhile, Category 3 codes, identified by a T, are temporary and cover emerging procedures and technologies. These may evolve into Category 1 codes if they become widely accepted and meet specific criteria. CPT codes often need modifiers, 2-digit numeric or alphanumeric codes appended to the main code. These modifiers provide additional information about the procedure, such as whether it was performed on the left or right side of the body, or if extra time was required. CPT codes are part of a larger system of medical codes. Other important sets include HCPCS Level 2 codes for reporting medical supplies and services, and ICD-10 codes for diagnosing patients. Understanding how CPT codes interact with these other sets is crucial for comprehensive medical code. Insurance payers typically require that the service provided is medically necessary, as justified by the diagnosis code. This connection between CPT and ICD-10 codes ensures that only necessary procedures are billed, which is vital for receiving reimbursement. The AMA updates the CPT code set annually to reflect new medical advancements and retire outdated procedures. Staying current with these updates is essential for accurate coding and billing. In conclusion, CPT codes are the backbone of medical billing, ensuring that healthcare providers are accurately compensated for their services. Understanding these codes, their categories, and how to use them is crucial for anyone involved in healthcare billing and coding. Thank you for watching, and be sure to keep learning and staying updated with the latest in CPT. For more detailed information, visit the American Medical Association's website or contact us. Links are provided in the description below.